See, I like when you come around, make you come and be my queen, oh. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. See, I like when you come around, make you come and be my queen, oh. Make you move that thing, bring it down.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I want to show you this wig I received from Princess Hair. It came in this pink bag. Oh my goodness, it's called Beautiful Princess Hair. It like that, and in the bag I got the wig and I got hair accessory, and yeah, and that leaflet to show you everything that you need to know. And so this wig is their body wave wig, their best-selling body wave wig, and the hairline is really beautiful. I love the body wave on this wig. It's a 13 by 4, 13 by 5, yeah, lace front. Honestly, if I don't see the right things, just check the link in the description box, because every detail that you need to know about this wig is under in the description box. So just in case you don't get what I'm saying here, just click the link under and then you'll be able to purchase this hair. The hair came very nice. The color of this hair is natural black. It's so black, like I love how black this hair was. It's very, very black. You can see for yourself. So I'm trying to see if I can just customize the front to like fit my hairline. One thing people don't understand is when you buy a wig or you get a wig, you have to work on the hairline, no matter how customized, no matter how plucked it is, to fit your own shape of head. Every wig does not have the same shape of head for every human being. So when you get it, try to see if this fits your hairline. If you need to plug on the hairline again, just go ahead and do it. If you need to put coils on the coil pattern that came with it, just go ahead and do it. So today, what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to put some coils on this hair. I know this is their body wave. This is what it looks like. It's nice, it's lovely, but I just want to have more bold coils on this hair. So I'm going to go ahead and section this hair into 3, then I'll start working on it.
See, I like when you come around, make you come and be my queen. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down.
Okay, so for today I'm going to be using this my coiler. I think it's Remington, I don't know, but I really love it. Yeah, it's so good. And the heat I'm using is 200 watts. Well, on the setting I'm using 200. So yeah, you can see that this hair can take heat. It doesn't burn out. It's not synthetic hair. This is 100% human hair, and it takes the coils beautifully. So make sure guys that you check the description box for this hair detail. The texture of this hair is beautiful. The hair has a very nice quality. I didn't experience any shedding at all. Everything is smooth, everything is flowy. Yeah, so guys, if you're just joining me for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to buy this wig. Yeah, so just follow the link in the description box.
Take it down for me. Call me Dragon Boy, cause I spit fire. All your best MCs I make them retire. Body smoking, girl, you are a bonfire. So let's love spread like a wildfire. See, I like when you come around, make you come and be my queen.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead with my got2b ultra glue. I'm going to just apply a little bit on my hairline to brush all my little baby hairs in place. Guys, my hair is a hot mess. I've not been taking care of my hair, like seriously. I've been wearing wigs a lot. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut the lace at the back, and then when I sit this on my head, I noticed that even the part I did was not in the center, but that should not be a problem. I'm going to work on it. So I cut off a little bit of the lace because he was fighting with my eyelashes. They were just dragging each other. Like, okay, let me just cut a little bit of the lace in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and use this beard head. I find this really good. It also works amazing, just like got to be spray. This is nice. So I went ahead and just like applied a little bit on it, and I'll use my hot comb and just like comb it backwards. This will just sit this hair perfectly well. Yeah, and then you can also use a hair dryer if you want. Because I'm going to do baby hairs on this hair, I didn't really want to go and pluck the whole hairline more, because by the time I finish it will look really nice. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. I'll just apply a little bit of this spray glue, and then I use my hot comb and just apply this, and you can see how everything is melting on my head. I really love this method. It works quick. If you're in a hurry to go somewhere and you don't know what to do, just go ahead and do this. And this is another thing that is very important. Just use a hair plus elastic band and just tie this hair and wait for at least 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Then you come back and put it off, and when you do that, the hair is well laid. So the next thing to do is to cut off the remaining lace that is in the front.
I did rap, I did sing, I did bust flows, I did drive around town, I did do shows. Take it down for me, take it down for me. The way you move your sexy body, take it down for me. The way you rockin' all the show, take it down for me. Take it down for me, take it down for me. Call me Dragon Boy, cause I spit fire. All your best MCs, I make them retire. While you smoking, girl, you are a bonfire. So let's love spread like a wildfire. See, I like when you come around.
Okay, now, so after I've done that, I'm just gonna try to create baby hairs from there. And like you can see, I'm doing this effortlessly. I'm not gonna cut the baby hairs on this hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and just find those hairs and just bring them out and form the baby hairs. You can bring some hair out and cut it and have those short baby hairs, but I just want this baby hair to walk into the hair, like to just like, you know, like brush into the hair like that. I just find that also good. But if you want to bring some hair out and then like use razor or use like a scissors to cut it off before you do that, then go ahead and do that. But this is also a very good technique, and I really like it.
You can't chill around me and be my company. See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my hero. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my hero. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Oh.
Alright, so the next thing for me to do is to just go and define my part. I'm using my foundation, the one that matches my scalp. Then I'll just go ahead and just apply just a little bit there, just to further define it, to make your part look like, yeah, it's really like your scalp. And then if you need be, you can just apply them in the front also, you know, to fade away, you know, some of the harshness of the glue or whatever. Alright, so the next thing for me to do is to apply some oil. This oil I bought a long time ago. It's sold in some Lidl's in Europe, but not in UK. Actually, they don't sell it in UK, but you can buy it in Italy. So I'm using this wide tooth comb, and I'm going to brush my curls out. I want the bold, nice coils. And guys, I'm really loving this hair, guys. Just look at it. Look at how beautiful this looks. Honestly, this is amazing. This hair is soft and bouncy, is full, and the color is black. I love it. Look at how bouncy that looks, guys. Alright, so guys, if there's anything that you need to tell me, make sure you drop it in the comment section. And yeah, just go ahead and buy this hair if you're interested. Make sure you follow the link in the description box, and who knows, there could be a coupon code that can help you have some percentage off. And so until my next one, guys, bye.
I no mind, I no send, I go bed, I go buy anything what you want, I go spend. Take it down for me, take it down for me. The way you move your sexy body, take it down for me. The way you rocking up the show, take it down for me. Take it down for me, take it down for me. What you want from me? Cause I'm a bad guy, let me hunt for me. So anything